Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change color palette of our phone, of our Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to change our color palette? Not wallpaper, color palette. It's not a theme either. So we need to go to settings. Then we are looking for our wallpaper and style. In here we have color palette. So to use this option, we need to allow this function, and we can change our color palettes. We can wallpaper colors, we can have wallpaper colors, we have basic colors if we want to, and we have a few more here. So don't forget to apply. Here we have our example how it will look like. Our color palette has been changed to green, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.